Just thought to do this little bonus video for you. I've got some update news on the hybrid Woolworth Winfield lights that are recently restored, and I've actually managed to identify them. Just randomly came across these lights on eBay. I was adamant that they were either Woolworth or Winfield lights, but they're actually made by a company called Christmas Creations. They're just 20 push-in decorative lights. They look like a budget set of lights, but they're identical to the ones I have. They also use the same bulb holders and relative design as Woolworth's Winfield lights did, so it's possible that they are all made in the same factory in Hong Kong, and then, you know, different companies have a license to produce them or something like that. But I just thought it was nice to actually identify them. This set is actually currently on eBay. There's a link in the description below. They're in better condition than the ones I've got, but as you can see, they've got the same fluted trumpet tulip style shades. They've got the same white based bulbs. If one of the bulbs was removed, we could identify it positively as the exact same ones as I have, but on the bulb holders, it's got the same ribs as the Woolworth Winfield lights, same colours. But yeah, it was just interesting to actually identify them. I was doing my normal little bargain hunt this time of year. Link down below if you're interested in these lights. I like my set. It was just nice to put a name to them, and this was just a little update video on that. Yeah, I was wrong. It's possible that they're all made in the same factory anyway, but there you go. Nice little end to that little 3-part series, now 4 parts, and I'll catch you on the next one. Stop the press. As I was editing this particular video, I was also browsing on eBay, and the Christmas Creations ones have ended. Somebody's bought them because they were on a buy it now, and the same seller has another identical set of lights, this time made by SWAN. You know, it's obvious that these are all kind of made in the same factory by the looks of it, because the SWAN box has nearly identical artwork to other Woolworths lights, as you can see here, a little side by side. But yeah, these SWAN ones are identical to the Christmas Creations lights and the ones that I have, so it's up in the air which maker actually made them. Again, probably from the same factory, but under what brand name, I have no idea. Your guess is as good as mine, but there you go. There's one last little nugget of information for you, and I will most definitely catch you on the next one.